Love, you're welcome. So today's video, let's talk about how to treat your damaged skin. Like, use a product that damaged your skin, that caused stretch mark, white patches, hyperpigmentation, discoloration, dark spots, acne, a lot of skin, like terrible skin reactions, and you have tried thousands and millions of products to get your skin barrier treated. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys the easiest and the simplest way for you to get your skin barrier treated. So if you're interested, just sit down and watch this video to the very end. So before we continue, if today is the first time of stopping by, hi, I'm Price Natural Glow. Welcome back to my channel. Please go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notification so you'll be the first to be notified each time we upload a new video. And we upload video on this channel every Thursday and Sunday, so do well by subscribing and turning on your post notification, because you're going to be getting a lot and amazing ideas on how to lighten up your skin, treat your skin, and right products you can use. And we also make products. I am a skincare therapist. We also make products like whitening product, mulatto soap, lady white soap, a lot of all these whitening and treatment and lightening product. Okay, so this channel is all you need if you really want to take your skin routine to the next level. Now let's just go back to the topic. I don't want this video to be too long. So I get a lot of messages, a lot of pictures, a lot of videos, disgusting ones for that matter, like damaged skin. Guys, damn it, this is too much. Like, when I mean too much, you guys will not understand what I'm saying. Even that this is someone's privacy, I would have said share some pictures with you guys, but it's not advisable, right? I'm only going to tell you guys what causes these issues and how to stay away from it. Okay, so the number one is that if you get a product and it starts reacting on your skin, like you start noticing white patches, you start noticing black spots, dark head, you start noticing hyperpigmentation, discoloration, like a lot of reactions, the best you can do for yourself is by stopping that product at that moment. Okay, if you like, get the product 100,000, 50,000, it doesn't matter. Just keep the product. Okay, at that moment, just keep that product aside. Now, some of you get it twisted, some of you get it wrong. You are a dark skin person and you want to lightening, or you lightening up your skin. Okay, now I always use myself as an example, so you know that I just fix camera on my front and start saying trash. The reason why I use myself as an example is because I was once a dark skinned person. If you notice my skin now, if you have been following us for a while, if you notice my skin, you know that yes, I get darker. This is not how my shade was before. I am more brighter than this, but I am disciplined. Let me just use the word discipline. I'm disciplining my skin. I want my skin to breathe for a while, okay, before I continue. So if you're a dark skin person and you're lightening up your skin, the best you can do, like I said, is to stop it. But most of you will be like, no, this product is actually giving me what I want by it lightening me, is whitening me, and that is what I want. But the only thing I don't like here is that it's giving me white patches, it's giving me stretch mark, and some of you will continue using the product because you believe that after you might have finished using that product, maybe probably you get it very expensive. So you be like, after you might have finished using the product, then you can now get a treatment product that you can be using along with that the same product that gave you those reactions. And that is when some of you get it completely wrong, and before you know it, it will become so worse that you have to wait and wait and wait, yet it will take you some years for you to recover from those skin damage barrier. Okay, so the easiest way for you to get those skin barrier treated is by stopping the product. One thing that most of you don't understand is that yes, everybody, let me say most girls, even boys, this is my business, so even girls, even boys, they are coming to me. They want to lighten, they want to whitening. They don't even use the word lightening again. They want to whitening up their skin. So if you use the product and it causes you those things on your skin, then you have to dump it. Just keep the product, then you concentrate on treatment or product. Now for some months now, I've not been using anything whitening on my skin. Not like I have a damaged skin, but I feel like okay, I have really stressed this skin. I have really stressed this skin ever since I changed my skin shade to a light skin person. So I have really stressed my skin, and I felt like, okay, this skin needs to break, this skin needs to rest, and that is why I decided to keep everything lightening or whitening aside. I only use our treatment oil and our treatment black soap along with our scrub. And this time around, I don't longer scrub 2 times in a week. I only scrub once in a week. I just want my skin get rest. I just want my skin to go back to normal, then I start again. And if you do that and you're fortitude enough to wait to get that your skin back to normal, then if you start those lightening products, believe me, the results you get to it's going to give you that result so fast and perfect. Okay, and it's not going to damage your skin. Only if you go back to those your usual harsh chemical products, which I know that you cannot be so clueless to go back to those products after you must have spent a lot and a lot of time, a lot of energy, a lot of money on getting your skin barrier treated and back to normal. Now let me tell you a story. I've known someone, or I have seen someone that bought a product worth 80,000 naira and it damaged her skin. Ignorance is a disease. It damaged her skin because she wants her money. She was like, okay, I can just waste the money. I just have to get the value of my money before I dump the product. And before you know it, it's like the situation is kind of very worse. Like she have to dump the product and continue with treatment. She spent about 1 million naira to get her skin barrier back to normal. So if you're this kind of person that you'll be like, oh, I bought this product so expensive, so how am I gonna leave this product all because it's giving me white patches? I can equally get this white patches treated. But let me tell you, treatment product is more expensive than whitening product. Okay, so if you want to treat your skin, please do yourself a favor by stopping all those whitening products, even lightening. You don't need anything lightening, you just need a treatment product. Okay, and you should reduce the products, the amount of products you apply on your skin. That most of you have a whitening face cream, a lightening face serum, a lightening toner, a lightening face wash, like a lot. You have about 5 products you use at a time in the morning, like morning routine. You have about 5 or 6 products. If your skin barrier is damaged, you don't need those long process. You just need 1 or 2 products to get those things done. Just like a moisturizer, it depends on what you're treating. If you're treating acne, then you need a product that contains salicylic acid. Now some of you abuse this product contains salicylic acid because some of you use it wrongly. Now salicylic acid, if you're kind of person that observe your skin or observe yourself each time you're using a product, then you should know that salicylic acid dries you off. Okay, salicylic acid dries you off, and it's very effective, no doubt. If you want to treat acne, salicylic acid is very effective, like super effective. It's going to treat it. So the only way, the right way to use salicylic acid, if you have a terrible acne on your face, then you should use it just twice in a week or once in a week, depending how sensitive or stubborn your skin is. Okay, using it once or twice in a week is perfect, because if you abuse it, you use it wrongly, then it's going to dry your skin, it's going to dry you off. Okay, that product is very effective. Salicylic acid is very effective. Let me just say, it's not a harsh chemical product. It works, but if you use it in the right way. Okay, now if you're treating your body, I'll advise you to just get a good coconut oil. Okay, coconut oil has a lot of benefit in treating your skin damage barrier. Okay, it's going to help to repair your skin barrier, keep your skin moisturized, and glow your skin. So coconut oil is a good idea if you're treating your damaged skin barrier. Okay, just get original coconut oil that you know that this coconut oil is original. You can actually make it from scratch. If you want me to make a video on that, on how to make a coconut oil from scratch, just let me know under a comment section. Okay, so using a coconut oil and any black soap that is very good, not a whitening. Okay, a treatment black soap. This time around, you don't need anything lightening. A treatment black soap can go along with that coconut oil, or you can get a moisturizer, a good moisturizer that does not contain lactic acid, salicylic acid, citric acid, that does not contain any lightening properties. Just a moisturizer that can just help to moisturize your skin, keep your skin moisturized and hydrated. Okay, but some of you will not listen, and some of you will be like, is the God for me? How can I come to your DM requesting for a product that I'm going to pay you and you tell me that is not available? When you can ask what make that product. Now, let me tell you, this my small brand. I'm still building it, and I don't want anybody, like, I don't want anybody from anywhere to put asunder. Like, I don't want anybody to drain me down or send me back. I just want to give out a product that when you use that product, you will come back to me that, okay, this works, but not so fast. I don't like dealing with, even me myself, I don't like using a fast action product. Once I see 7 days, I'm not using that product. I love product that works on my skin gradually, okay? Because I believe those fast action contains a lot and like too much lightening ingredients, and my skin does not need that. Your skin does not need that. But some of you are so greedy. You just want a fast action product. And the issues with some of you is that you use those products and you use it for complete a year without stopping. Like, damn it, we all are going to grow old tomorrow, and old age is not funny at all. Okay, so please be conscious of what you use on your skin, because of skin damage, because of skin cancer, because of your old age. Like, a lot to do. If you have not given birth, you have to give birth tomorrow. You will give birth tomorrow. Definitely you will. Someone told me that, hey, my mommy is so fair. This woman gave her this product that whitening her, even to the extent that when she had an accident, they can't stitch her body. And I was, wow, she's so proud, confident to say that they can't stitch her mommy's body because of the bleaching she bleached. Do you understand? So this is not a cook-up story. This is a real story. Like, this is what somebody told me, eyeball to eyeball. And I was like, wow, that is good. You understand? So please be very careful of what you're using. And if you have a damaged skin, stay away from anything lightening. Stay away from all this recommendation. You go here, they recommend this. You go here, they recommend this. You keep on trying and trying. You're trying. Your skin is so precious for you to try thousands of products on your skin with different, like, millions of ingredients on your skin. So please stop all this recommendation. Make research. Go to Google, make research. Yeah, sometimes Google can be so confusing, but if you have that understanding, you should get a good result from there. Okay, just make a research and know the right product and the right ingredients. What ingredients you can use for your skin type, for not your skin type, like what and what you can use. Okay, stop all this TikTok recommendation, Instagram recommendation. It has caused a lot of harms. Okay, some people out there don't even know what they are recommending. Even them themselves don't even know what they are using. They don't even know their skin type, but they see that, okay, this is what is giving money. Everybody wants to make money, so this is what is giving money. They are in for it. Okay, so please just be careful. We have good people there. We have like well-learned people that knows about this even more than I do. Okay, you can as well look out for them and, you know, get the benefit from there. So please be very careful of what you're using on your skin and learn how to discipline your skin. As for me, I'm still disciplining my skin. I just want my skin to breathe before I continue with anything lightening, whitening, or anything at all. Please be very, very careful of what you're using. If you want to treat your skin, I repeat myself again, stop those products that causes those issues to you. Okay, to treat your skin can be so frustrating. Just be patient, and believe me, it's gonna work for you. Okay, you're gonna get back your skin to normal, and once you do that, you need to be very careful. Please help me to share this video. This video is gonna help a lot of people. Just help me to share the video, subscribe, and smash the like button. Okay, I love you guys, and please subscribe. Love you. Bye.